Right now we're going to be looking at definite articles. In English there's one definite article, it is the word the. In Spanish there are 4 definite articles, and I'm going to show you right here on the board behind me how those work. Over here we have some masculine nouns. All nouns in Spanish once again have gender, so with these masculine nouns they're also all singular, meaning there's only one. We're going to add the word the to the beginning of them, and up here you have your four definite articles in Spanish. El is a singular masculine article word the. La is singular, the singular feminine article the. And then we have los, which is the plural masculine article the. And then los, which is the feminine plural article the. One more time. So over here I've got 3 masculine nouns. If I wanted to say instead of just hat, the hat, you would just put the word the in front of it, which is the word el. So el sombrero would be the hat. Dress, we have el vestido for the dress, and suéter for sweater, we would say el suéter. You'll notice that these 2 words right here both end in o. A lot of times masculine nouns end in o. That can make it easier sometimes to remember that they're masculine or not. Sometimes they don't, however. So for the word suéter, for example, you just have to learn the word as el suéter to remember that it's a masculine noun. Over here we have 3 feminine nouns. So if I want to say the T-shirt instead of just shirt, I would add the feminine article the in front of it. So I can say la camiseta for the T-shirt. If I wanted to say the girl, I could say la muchacha. And then down here I have the word verdad. You'll notice it does not end in a like these 2 words. So to learn that it's feminine, you just need to study it as la verdad, which means the truth. And that's it for the singular articles, the. Now we're going to look at really quick how to make these articles plural. And what I mean by that is now we're going to be talking about more than one item. So we'll start with the feminine articles right now, the feminine nouns. So right here we have la camiseta, the T-shirt. If I want to make that plural and say the T-shirts, like in English we add an S to it, so we're going to have to do something like that in Spanish as well. So you can say la camisetas, that would be T-shirts. But then I also have to make this word match this over here. So to do that, I just add an S to it. So las camisetas. If I want to make, instead of saying just the girl, I want to say the girls. Add your S's to it, las muchachas. And then for verdad, which is a little bit different now, it ends in a D. You can't just add an S to it. You have to throw an extra vowel in there. So las verdades, it sounds kind of weird, but las verdades for the truths. Over here, for these masculine nouns, I want to make them so it says the hats, the dresses, the sweaters. It's very similar to making them feminine. The difference here is a little bit more over here. Instead of saying el, we're going to use this word right here, los. So these will all be los. And then I got to make these plural to go along with it as well. So if I want to say the hats, or the sombreros, los sombreros. The dresses, los vestidos, and once again we have a noun that ends in a consonant, so to make this plural, we're going to add an ES to it, so los suéteres, los suéteres.